Alright, I just wanted to show a video of the work Arcit Welding completed on my truck to show you how it was absolutely damaging to the vehicle, improperly done. But first off, here you are looking at a cab corner. There's two, one on each side, both with similar results. But you'll see just a terrible, terrible overall welding job. You can see a lot of imperfections, but the reality is this panel actually is a replacement panel. So the existing panel underneath the cab corner was to be removed, and this would have been butt welded, which is just basically a very small gap between the two metal pieces welded together. And then ultimately you shouldn't even see the transition. But as you can see, really, really terrible job. This is absolutely a brand new 18 gauge steel, which is very thick, and they just absolutely destroyed it. First of all, improperly welding it over the existing panel. This is manufactured to the exact specs of what it was to replace, so it is not capable of even fitting. As you see, if you look at body lines, here's a body line off the vehicle, and you can see how far off it is. So this is where the body line on the panel is, and this is where it should have arrived on the vehicle. And similar here, you see the body line, but on the vehicle it's actually over here. So you see a pretty dramatic difference. And then also as you come over, I mean, it's just terrible work. To be honest with you, a door won't even fit. So if you see, it basically doesn't allow the door to even close. You can see it from that angle. And then furthermore, this is supposed to be to the contours of the whole body and door. But you see the contour line here, and on the door, it's actually down here. So that's how far off it is. And then furthermore, as you come inside the cab, basically, the welder made a claim that the truck's rusty, I couldn't weld it. But the reality is, you can clearly see that they didn't even break through the metal. All they left was a burn remnant. But really, one of the biggest troubling parts is, as they applied this, I've got a light from the outside. This is the bottom of the cab floor. This is right where they welded. And there's substantial holes to the outside on each side. Just truly, truly poorly done with a welding skill, as you can see, leaving absolutely lethal damaging welds